Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toydel online class. Today we want to talk about Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Venn diagram is just the Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of sets. That is when we decide to represent sets in form of a diagram. For instance, if you have set A to be equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have another set B to be equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. These are two sets, A and B. Then if you have universal set is the mother set. Say that one is from 1, 2, up to 10. Universal set is always the largest set under consideration. You know, we know all this. There are some definitions that we have given in the past, like intersection, union, complement. We can actually represent all this in form of a diagram, and that's what is called a Venn diagram. For instance, we represent the universal set with a rectangle and the subset of the universal set with a circle. For instance, this is set A and B, set B. They will be inside the universal set. If they have something in common, they are going to overlap. That is, here we have 3 and 4 in A, we have 3 and 4 in B. That simply means that if this is set A, the diagram for set A, then the diagram for set B will overlap. They have something in common. They have elements that are common. So it is going to overlap. Let's just put this inside this. Let's start with set A. Set A, how many elements we have? 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B, how many elements we have? 3, 4, 6, 8. But you realize that we have 3 and 4 here. We also have 3 and 4 here. So it will be, we represent it here, because that's where they overlap. They have this in common. If you consider the first element, the first set A, which is this circle, 3 and 4 appear there. If you consider set B, 3 and 4 also appear there. So what are the leftover that we have? In A, we have 2, which we don't have in B, and we also have 5. Then set B, we have 6, we have 8. So we have been able to impute all these 6 elements which belongs to A and B in this diagram. Then what are the leftover that we have? This will represent a complement. The complement simply means the elements we have at the universal that are not in A, either A or B, they will be outside the rectangle. They will be outside the circle, inside the rectangle. So here, 1 is not in any of these two sets. We can put it outside. Just put it anywhere. In this case also, 2 is inside already here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, we can put it somewhere outside the 2 circles. 7, then 8 is inside. We have 9, then we have 10. So we have been able to represent. We have been able to represent the 3 sets that we have there: the universal set, set A, and set B inside the diagram, and that is what is called the Venn diagram. This is just the introduction to Venn diagram. So that is whenever we represent sets in a pictorial form, in form of a diagram, it is called Venn diagram. This is the introduction to Venn diagram. Thank you.